In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit your personal information in Command Docusign in just 5 minutes. Whether you're correcting a typo in your name or updating your email address, keeping your profile information up to date is essential for ensuring smooth operations within the Docusign platform. Let's dive into the process and make sure your information is always current and accurate. To begin, you'll need to navigate to the Docusign website. It's the go-to tool for electronic signatures and effective agreement management, and we're about to explore its vast functionalities. Open your preferred web browser and type Docusign in the search bar. Once you land on the Docusign homepage, look towards the top right corner of the screen where you'll find a small button labeled Login. Go ahead and click that button to proceed to the login interface. After successfully logging in with your credentials, you'll find yourself on the Docusign homepage. Here, you're presented with a dashboard that offers multiple options and functionalities to explore. But for today, our focus is on updating your personal details. Direct your attention to the top menu where you should see an icon or label named Profile. Click on this and a drop-down menu will appear. From the drop-down menu, select Manage Profile. This option will lead you to another page specifically designed for any changes you might want to make. It acts as a central hub for managing various aspects of your profile information. Once you are in the Manage Profile section, you'll be presented with several tabs about different elements you can update. The next step is to click on My Profile. This section is the core area where you can view and edit your personal details. Now, within My Profile, pay close attention as this is where the magic happens. You have the opportunity to change various pieces of information. Think about the accuracy of your name, address, phone number, or email information and make any necessary adjustments. Just click on the field you want to edit and input your new information. Remember, accurate information is crucial for ensuring that all your professional communications and agreements are seamless. Once you've made the necessary changes, double check that all the information is correct before you finalize any modifications. Typically there will be a Save or Update button at the bottom of the screen. Click it to ensure all your updates are stored. And there you have it, your personal information in your Command Docusign profile is now updated. Feel free to return to this guide anytime you need to make further adjustments. Keeping your details current not only keeps your work professional, but also ensures all your electronic transactions go through without any hitches. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time for more useful tips and tricks.